Well, I might switch it up. I think I'll switch it up. Yeah, we'll go back the way we came. Gears in there. This is probably the steepest hill I've gone down on the road. I've been riding. Just cruise down 25, speed limit 30. Someone's behind us. Alright, got this light. Yes. I was a little hesitant to come out today, guys. You know how it is when you do, you're like, oh man, don't really want to go out and face the danger or traffic. But man, it was worth it. We can't just go straight home. You know, go around the little blocks here and there. Check out the neighborhood. This section yet. I think not. I gotta get one of those signs. I'll talk to the PTA lady. And she said that I can get from school. They had like 30 of them. That's one of my martial arts students. The most dedicated student, as a matter of fact. I would have been cruising so lightly. Quiet around here. Maybe that's what I should do at the end of my driveway. Let's put some rocks. People are always messing up the grass with their cars when they turn around. It's a really good idea. Architecture over here, these side streets. We're on Glenna.